Welcome back, guys. For today's video, I'm going to be making a salmon Wellington. Here are some of the basic ingredients that you'll need. I have here our puff pastry. Looks like so. I'm going to also roll it out so it's flat. I have here some cream cheese, softened at room temperature. You'll also need some spinach. I have some frozen chopped spinach, some Parmesan. I have a little mozzarella cheese mixed in with it as well. Also, you're going to need 1 egg for the egg wash at the end. Here are some of the other basic ingredients you'll need. Some artichoke. I have here some garlic paste, some chopped green onion, and I have some sesame seed for the bread. Of course, you're going to be using your salmon. I have mine already lightly sprinkled here with the pepper and then the salt, whatever seasonings you decide, but just some salt and pepper will do the trick. Stay tuned. Alrighty, you guys, so first things first, you want to go ahead and add in your cream cheese, your softened cream cheese to this. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and add in basically all of these ingredients besides the sesame seeds you'll see me add. We're going to add in that spinach to it. Alright, so next you're going to add in some of those artichokes to this as well. So next you want to go ahead and start mixing this all together. Okay, next you want to add in those seasonings. I have here some pepper, fresh parsley, a little garlic powder, and a little onion powder. I'm going to add into this mix for some flavor, so stay tuned. Okay guys, once you're finished mixing that all in, you're going to go on to the next step, which is to go ahead and add this to your puff pastry and your salmon. Stay tuned. guys, once you have your spread on the top and the bottom, you're going to go ahead and start rolling that dough on over and tucking it in.
Dreaming of some sunshine, oh, never coming through the skies. Dreaming of some sunshine.
Alright guys, now we take our egg wash